Hey, what's good, you guys? How you guys doing today? Hope your day is going great. Even if not watching this video, make things 10 times better, baby. We are back at it again with another video. And as you guys can see what we got going on right here, right now, bro, we in the cut right now. We got the Yamaha Blaster. And if you guys look behind me, we got nothing but space. Absolutely space to ride this bad boy. And we are absolutely about to have a blast. Oh, shit. I'm just not looking at this, man. This thing look too cool. What are you doing, bro?
Trying to get in.
You trying to get in the cut? What up, son?
Chilling.
Bro, where we at, man? Let me know.
Crib.
We at your crib, man. First time out here, it is absolutely about to be lit, man. We about to have a hell of a time right now. And we got this sick ass 150. This is not my 150. This your 150, bro?
Ain't my 150.
You sure?
Yeah.
That bit bad.
Who is it?
Shit, I don't know.
I don't know either.
What your ass doing? Might be yours, huh? I think it is. What up, man?
What's up,
We got low in the cut. Like I said in the last video, you put this joint up, clean bike. What made you get it though?
Honestly, you did. Put up around my way with the 150R.
Yeah.
I was riding on the little Grom. I'm like, hold up. Who's this?
Need something new. So he was cruising around the neighborhood on like a little Grom, and then he seen my 150 out front of Gray's house, and he was like, damn, whose 150 is that? I came outside the house, showed him what's up, let him ride it, and he was like, yeah, I gotta give me one of these. So very next day, popped out with one, man. This is it, man. What you rocking with? You just standing over here. What you rocking with?
Around the corner.
Little 110. Little 110. Yeah. Hey, I sold my 110, so I no longer have a 110. I am no longer.
You don't have the straight pipe?
Nah, I just put it on 150.
Oh, yeah. You already put on that. The blaster.
Oh,
Put on
no.
the blaster.
We would blow that joke up.
Perfect.
Man, what y'all think? We gonna put a straight pipe on the blaster or what?
Could. Let them vote.
Let them vote. But how would that benefit me though? Like, what if it mess up the blaster?
You gonna look sick though. You can be the only one with a straight pipe blaster.
On a 2-stroke?
Yeah.
All right. We might have to test that one, bro.
Then ride it in the neighborhood.
And then get HOA
HOA's
called on me.
favorite.
Okay.
HOA.
I'd be really kicked out the house then. We're gonna strap you guys up on the GoPro and we're gonna get things rocking. I'm excited to see how you finna rip this thing, my guy. Let's go, baby. You ready, son?
Always.
You don't look ready. You ain't hype.
I'm always ready.
Well, let's go then. You don't want no smoke. You don't want no smoke. This blaster ain't playing. I mean, look at low. Look at low. This thing rips. Huh? This thing rips.
Oh yeah.
Oh, y'all all ganging up on me now? It's not a twist, sorry. Get scared. Oh, I messed up my shoes, bro. It's kind of hard to do a wheelie. This ground is very like, look at low. Come on, pop it up, bro. Pop it up. Yeah. Okay. Bro, this joint is too funny, bro. We got the guys out here on the pit bikes, and then we got him on his 150. Yeah, we live, baby. Whoa! I hit it and it was wanting to come back. He's still trying to pop his wheels. Come on, bro. It was just mushy. Look at my shoes. This was my fault though. I'm tripping. Hey, watch it, man.
Yes.
Pop it up. Like, don't try to do high speed wheelies when you first start, because at least if you come off the back when you're going 10 miles an hour, it doesn't matter.
Right.
You know, but if you're trying to do 45-mile-an-hour wheelies and you ghost ride that bitch, it's gonna suck. It hurts.
Well, that's some good advice I'm gonna take. It's easy to pull up on this thing. Like the Grom, I was trying for days. I couldn't not get up.
No.
Yeah.
Full throttle.
Right.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
You race me low.
Oh, let's do it.
I'm gonna let that bit loose. And we saved it. Oh my gosh, these brakes suck. I was literally smashing it down. Yeah, you can ride it. Let's see where they went. I think they went this way. Yeah. Oh shit. I can do some donuts right here. You can come around that corner so fast. Whoa, not the fence. Ah, shit. Whoa. We almost just went into the fence after I was just talking about how fast we could go around that. Whoa. Shit. Got a little bit of issues going on. My rear brake's locked up. Yeah. That shit won't even roll. Like they just on the disc right there.
Your brakes lock up?
Hell yeah.
Are they hot as shit? Don't touch it, but... Really?
No.
Colton's got a screwdriver up at his house. We can just freaking pry the brake pads apart a little bit and just don't touch them until you ride back.
We're trying to pry it open, but it doesn't seem to be wanting to come undone.
No, we never.
Your rotor is hot.
Caramel cross every day.
Yeah, it's like dragging us.
Dude, that burnt me through my glove.
He ain't got no pads.
Because the piston will like over travel if it doesn't have any pads in there, and then it'll get stuck.
So probably if you just chain it, probably
That's probably why it wasn't stopping like that too.
Oh.
Honestly, dude, for how damn stuck it is, I can't get a screwdriver in there to pry it open because it's stuck to it. You just take these 2 bolts off and just knock the freaking brake caliper off.
I'll see y'all later.
2 white gold, keep it lace gold chain, keep the beast inside and the hose insane. Like I'm every jeans in a Lambo truck with 2 Prada bags and a ball made phrase. 5 in the game plus 1 that's 6, cause you know YV gotta get that.